It's sunshine outside. Let's rise from the darkness and shine. Future is motivational life. I'm Sivanandana from class 8A with my classmates. Welcome you all in today's morning assembly. Hardest morning to each and everyone present here. Let us make Monday beautiful and blessed by connecting with the God and the nature our soul with the God's prayer. Now everybody join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer.
Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love, light a candle that shines all around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that the wishful dreams will one day come true. Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love, light a candle for shine all around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that the wishful dreams will one day come true. Sing peace around the world. 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 Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love, light a candle that shines all around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that the wish for world peace will one day come true.
Attention! Being the citizen of India, we have some duties and responsibilities to fulfill, and pledge evoke and push us to keep doing our duties and responsibilities well. Let's take the pledge, and for this, I would like to invite on stage our class leader, Miss Shreya.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Janaki. Attention! If we aren't updated with the things, we miss out on a lot of things. Let's get today's news updates. For this, I would like to invite on stage Swati Krishnan.
Good morning everybody. Today's news read by Swati Krishnan from class 8A. Fund shortage won't hit effort to rehabilitate Wayanad landslide survivors. Prime Minister. Army airlifts human remains found in Sujivara. CMDRF receives rupees 53.98 crore within 7 days towards Wayanad relief. Kerala Rail. IMD sounds orange alert in Palakkad, Malappuram today. Onam Rush. KSRTC adds over 55 special bus services for Kerala commuters in Chennai, Bengaluru. Paris Olympics. Conclusion. 6 medals and 6 near misses. India finished 21st in medal tally. Finance Secretary Somadana appointed Cabinet Secretary. 2 soldiers killed, 4 injured in encounter with the terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir's Anantnag. Yet another bridge collapse in Bihar, 15th such incident in June. Kolkata doctor rape murder case. Massive protest erupts across medical college in West Bengal. Israel cyclone Gaza school shelter kills around 100 people, Hamas run media office says. Bangladesh Chief Justice resigns amid student protest demanding restructuring of country's judiciary. Amid attack, Bangladeshi Hindus stage biggest street protest yet. That's end of the news. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Attention! Relatives. We cannot expect ourselves to grow up overnight, just in a single day. Each day gives us different vibes. Each day gives us the strength to build ourselves even better. To strengthen us with today's thought, I would like to invite on stage Gauri Nandana.
Good morning, everybody. Today's thought. My life is my message. Mahatma Gandhi. I repeat, my life is my message. Mahatma Gandhi. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Relatives. Shivanandu and Chandrapal will now guide us through some exciting exercise. Let's participate with enthusiasm and make this a memorable experience.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Here ends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Here ends. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Here ends.
Relatives. School assembly is the platform where we got chance to show our talent. It gives chance to each and every child around the year to blossom. Today, I would like to call on stage Arjun Krishna and Darshan from our class to introduce a famous personality before you.
I want to introduce you to a legendary figure in the world of football, Lionel Messi. Born in Argentina, Messi is widely regarded one of the greatest footballers of all time. With a record-breaking 8 Ballon d'Or awards, 10 La Liga titles, and 4 UEFA Champions League titles, he has achieved unparalleled success on the field. Known for his exceptional dribbling skill, speed, and goal-scoring ability, Messi has inspired millions of fans worldwide with his remarkable talent and dedication to the game. Let's take a moment to appreciate these football icons' achievement and draw inspiration from his hard work and faith. Have a nice day.
Attention. Now we have a thought-provoking
speech
speech
by Shivanandana Madi.
provide Shivanandu. Respected dignitaries, my dear HM Sujisha teacher, dear teachers and my dear friends. Today I want to talk to you about something very important, the English language. English is more than just a subject we learn in schools. It's a key that opens many doors to opportunities and adventures. Firstly, English is like a universal language. It's spoken in many parts of the world, which means if you know English, you can communicate with people from different countries and culture. This opens up a world of friendship and connections. Secondly, English is the language of internet. When we go online to learn new things, play games or watch videos, most of the content is in English. By knowing English well can help us navigate the digital world with ease. Thirdly, many of best books and movies are in English. So by learning English, we can enjoy these treasures and understand them better. It's like having a passport to the world of imagination and creativity. Lastly, as we grow up and enter the workforce, English becomes even more important. Many jobs require at least basic English skills, and some jobs even demand fluency in English. So by learning English now, we are preparing ourselves for a brighter future. In conclusion, English is not just another subject in school. It's a tool that can shape our lives in many ways. So let's embrace the opportunity to learn English and unlock a world of possibilities. Thank you. Attention! To determine us of the transformative power of unity, resilience and determination of talented girls, will now perform the timeless classic that has inspired generations to stand up for justice, equality and freedom. Let their voices echo in our hearts as they sing the ionic anthem of hope and strength. We shall overcome.
Hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We are not afraid. We are not afraid. We are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
Attention, tentative. Now I invite Sujisha teacher for delivering the message. Here we are thrilled to announce that we will be distributing comic books like Kalikudka and Minna Minni to everyone at Class Corner Library. These comics are not just entertaining but also inspiring and thought-provoking. Let's take a look at what we have in store for you. These comics are sure to transport you to new worlds, spark your creativity and ignite your passion for reading. Teacher, please.
ഇന്നത്തെ അസംബ്ലി എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു? ആ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾ നന്നായിട്ട് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടെന്നുള്ളതിന്റെ തെളിവാണിത്. അതിനേക്കാൾ എനിക്ക് സന്തോഷം തോന്നിയത് 9:43 ആയപ്പോൾ അവർ എൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് വന്നു, റെഡിയാണ്. അവർ മാത്രമല്ല, ഇവിടെ ഗ്രൗണ്ടിൽ നിങ്ങൾ ആ ലൈൻ കുറച്ചുകൂടി കറക്റ്റ് ആകാനുണ്ടെന്നേ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നുള്ളൂ. പക്ഷേ കറക്റ്റ് 9:43 ആയപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ അസംബ്ലി നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റി. ആ ടൈം ഇത്രയും പെർഫെക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് കീപ്പ് ചെയ്തതിന് 8 കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾക്കും അവരുടെ ക്ലാസ് ടീച്ചർ മധുരിമ ടീച്ചറിനും പ്രത്യേക അഭിനന്ദനം. അതുപോലെ അവർ ഇന്ന് എന്നെ ഇൻവൈറ്റ് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളൊരു കാര്യം കണ്ടു കാണും. നമ്മുടെ സ്കൂളിലെ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾക്ക് പ്രയോജനപ്പെടുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യം എന്നെ ഏൽപ്പിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാണ് അവരെന്നെ ഇൻവൈറ്റ് ചെയ്തത്. 5, 6, 7 ക്ലാസ്സിലെ കൊച്ചു കുട്ടികൾക്കായിട്ട് കളിക്കുടുക്ക, മിന്നാ മിന്നി തുടങ്ങിയ ചെറിയ ചെറിയ കഥാപുസ്തകങ്ങൾ അല്ലെ, കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങൾക്ക് വായനാശീലം വളർത്തുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഇത് ഓരോന്നും അതാത് ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് കൊടുക്കും. ക്ലാസ് ലൈബ്രറി അഥവാ കോർണർ ലൈബ്രറി എന്നൊരു ആശയം കൂടിയാണ് അവർ ഇന്നിവിടെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മുമ്പിൽ അവതരിപ്പിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. അതിന് അവർക്ക് ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി പ്രത്യേക അഭിനന്ദനങ്ങൾ. എന്നിട്ട് അതായത് 5A, 5B, 5C, 6A, 6B, 7A, 7B, 7C ഈ UP ക്ലാസ്സിലെ ലീഡർമാർ ഇവിടെ എത്തിച്ചേർന്ന് അവർക്ക് ഈ ചെറിയ ചെറിയ കഥാപുസ്തകങ്ങൾ കൈമാറും. അത് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കൊണ്ട് വെച്ചിട്ട് അവിടെ വലിച്ചു കീറി ഇടാനല്ല തരുന്നത്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഫ്രീ ടൈമുകളിൽ ഇപ്പൊ ക്ലാസ്സിലെ ഏതെങ്കിലും പീരീഡ് ഫ്രീ ആയിട്ടിരിക്കുന്നു, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് നിങ്ങളോട് എന്തെങ്കിലും വർക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറയുന്നു, അങ്ങനെയുള്ള സമയത്ത് നമ്മളുടെ സമയം രസകരമായ രീതിയിൽ പ്രയോജനപ്പെടുത്തുക. അതായത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഓവർ വർക്കൊന്നും അല്ല തരുന്നത്. ഈ കുഞ്ഞു കുഞ്ഞു കഥകൾ വായിക്കുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വളരെ സന്തോഷം തോന്നും. അങ്ങനെ നിങ്ങളുടെ സമയം പ്രയോജനപ്രദമായ രീതിയിൽ
represents our country where we were born. The purpose of national anthem is to help unite citizens, help them understand the culture and ignite patriotism. Let's show respect and love for our country by singing national anthem.